Hello everyone, my name is Miss Maya Teeter. Today I will be discussing the ISTE standards for students. I will be focusing on digital citizen, and I will be really cracking down on 2D. I will be focusing on 2D because I think that it is very important for our students to utilize technology and be safe while doing so. So I found a site, a resource from remc.org. This site offers students grade 5 through 9 to learn about the ways to become a digital citizen and to do it safely. If you can see, there are 21 tabs that students can click on and learn about how to use technology properly. Students can click on any tab, and for example, we'll click on number 9, search strategies. If it would ever load. So if you can see, within every tab, there is a video. So students are able to watch the video. It's a fun little tutorial or kind of introduction on what the tab will be discussing further. After that, they can read the introduction and read the learning objectives. So after the students watch the videos, they are able to complete multiple tasks, which are within these quests. There are tests that where students are tested on their knowledge that they were just learning, and there are even ways to earn certificates and badges. So for example, we'll click on Quest 1, the Michigan e-library. So there's an introduction, and then it talks about the e-library. It gives a little bit of vocabulary so students can really understand, and then students are able to click on these additional tabs within this tab to review the Michigan e-library and to even learn how to use it. So after they complete this quest, they're able to move on to the next one. So there are 21 different tabs where students can learn, and so they don't have to go through each and every one. Like you can do number 9 before you do number 1, but they have it in order where it would be easier to go down the list. I think that this is a great tool that students and teachers can use to make sure that the children are being kept safe online, that they are conducting great research, and I think that is very important for our students to become digital citizens, especially in this circumstances. So I thought this was a great tool to use, and I loved to share it with you. I hope that you learned something today, and I hope that you use this tool to better your research and to even allow for safer interactions online. Thank you.